Welcome back everyone with lesson number 2. Today our topic is about short A and consonants M, N, S, T, and X. A, M, N, S, X, T, A, am, am. Now it's your turn. That's great. Am, an. It's your turn to read now. That's great. Excellent. As, as, as. Now it's your turn to read. Wonderful. At, at. It's your turn now. Very good. Excellent. Axe, 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 axe. It's your turn. Nice. Your turn to read the letters with the sound. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. To get more updates, hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.